So today's date is the 1st of the 5th month 2020. So we're no longer in April, we are now in May, and it is Friday today. So we are going to be looking at how we add coins together. So we will be using money and we will be looking at place value. Now I've put some coins here just so that I can show you how we would add certain coins together. So to begin with, we're going to do 30p plus 15p equals. So first of all, I need to show 30p. So how do I make 30p? Because we don't have a 30p coin, I'm going to get my 20p coin, and I know that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. It's silver and it's quite small. So that's my 20p and my 10p, which is round and silver too. And they do have the numbers on them, but I know that those are the coins that make 30. Okay, there's another way of showing this, and that's with my Deans. I'm actually going to draw them this time. I know I made them, but I'm going to draw them so it's slightly easier, so it's similar to what you would do at home. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30. So that's my 3 different ways of showing 30p. Okay, now I need to do 15p. Again, like 30p, there isn't a 15p coin. So what I need to do is I need to get my 10p coin, same as this one, and I know I have 5p left. So I need to look for my small silver coin that looks like this. It needs to be round as well, okay? So this is 15. Now this time I need to show it with my Deans. Get the right colour pen. So that is 10. Now 5 isn't 10, so this will be 1. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see here 30, 10, 20, 30. So that's my 30p, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, my 15p. Now this is where, because I've drawn my Deans, it makes it a lot easier to work out my answer. So first I need to look at my ones. Do I have any ones in my 30p? I don't. I only have tens. So that would be 0. Here I have 5 ones. Okay, I have 5 ones. So here I'm going to put 5. So I have 5 ones. Now I need to look at my tens. In 30 I have 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm going to put 3. And then 15 I have 1 10. So I would add these together. 3, and I have 1 more, so 1 more than 3 is 4. So that is 40. Now I'm not going to put my 4 here, because that would mean I have 5 tens and 4 ones. That would be incorrect. That would be wrong. My tens need to go here. Now my answer still isn't quite finished. Although I've worked out how much it is, we always need to remember, because it is money and it is p, it would be 45p. Okay, so 30p plus 15p equals 45p. Now I could create 45p with the coins I've already got. So that would be 20, 2 tens and a 5. That would be 45p. But there is another way of showing this. Because I have 20, but 2 tens also equal 20. So I could use 2 20p's, so 20, 40, and I would have 5 left over. So this would be 45p, or this could be 45p. Okay, so let's do another one together. Let me just rub the board. This time we are going to do £1.50 plus 20p equals. Okay, so first I need to make it with my coins, don't I? So £1.50. So I already know that I need £1, and that would be a gold coin with a silver middle, and it's not my really big one because that would be £2 coin. I need the smaller one, so that would be £1. And then I need 50p, and that would be this coin here. It's bigger than my 20p coin, so that's how I know that's 50p. So that's £1.50. Then I would draw it with my Deans. Now, if we know that 50 is, if we look at hundreds, tens and ones, just to help us out here, I have 0 ones. In 50 I have 5 tens, so I would draw my 5 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now my £1 is also, I'm actually going to write that here, £1 is the same as 100 pennies. So if I had 100 of these pennies here, 1p's, that would equal £1. So it's just 100, so I have 100. Now if this is how we draw tens, remember we draw hundreds with a big square. This would be our ones, so make sure you are doing it big enough, okay? So that is showing me £1.50. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, £1.50. And my 20p, same as the last one, I need my 20p coin, and that's the only coin I need. I could make it using 2 10p's, or I could just have the 20p. Okay, so that would be 10. Oh, I don't like that one. Let me do that one again. 10, 20. Okay, so now we need to add them together. So in terms of my hundreds, tens and ones, I'm just going to write that there to help me. I don't have any ones in either, so I know that a 0 needs to go here. My tens, looking at my tens, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 tens. So 7 tens we know equals 70. But I don't need to write 70, I write 7, don't I? So I have 7 tens. And I have 100 here. I don't have any hundreds here, so that is just 1. Now, this is where you need to be really clever. You can either have this as 170p, or if you're super clever, you might write this. I have 100, same as the £1.50, so I have £1, then I put this little dot here, and my tens is 7 and my ones is 0. So you could either have 170p or £1.70. Okay, either one would be correct, but this one is the one that I'm really going to be looking for when you're doing your working out. So now I am going to rub the board, and I'm going to write the questions that I would like you to work out for yourself. So, number 1, I would like you to work out 7p plus 14p. I also would like to see your workings out, please. I want to be able to see that you have drawn the Deans or you've used money to work it out, please, okay? Because this is where our place value is very important. Number 2, actually, I'm going to change this. I want you to do 7p plus 11p. Number 2, I would like you to do 35p plus £1.20. Number 3, I would like you to do £1.50 plus £1.35. Number 4, I would like you to do 13p plus £2.50. £2.45. And number 5, I would like you to do £2.15 plus £1.75. Now this one's going to be quite tricky because your ones, I'm not going to say anything else, don't get caught out by that, okay? Think about our place value and that will help you, okay? And if you really want to do your challenge, to challenge yourself, I want you to have a think about how you could do £5.50 plus 26p, because this £5 would be using notes and not coins, okay? So there you go, that's the work I would like you to do. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you don't find it too difficult, especially this number 5, okay? In fact, I'm going to give you a big red box around it. Be careful of this question, but I'm sure all of you should be able to do it, okay? If you can't, let me know and I will hopefully explain it in another video for you. Okay, have a good day, guys.